Laying Everscape on gravel. Dry laying on gravel is a practical and versatile solution that provides a contemporary effect, bringing added style to patios, paths, pedestrian walkways and courtyards. The key benefits to this fitting solution are fast installation, easy removal or repositioning of tiles, no skilled labour required, effective rainwater drainage. Preparing the substrate. One of the most important stages when fitting Everscape tiles to gravel is to ensure the substrate is properly prepared. Insert a curb or border around the edge of the area to be paved. Dig out the area to a depth of 10 cm to 20 cm. Level the bottom of the dugout area as accurately as possible using a rake and spirit level. Flatten and compact the ground for a more compact paving. Lay a sheet of non-woven fabric on the surface to prevent plant growth. Using a mixed particle gravel of 16 to 35 mm and a rake, add a layer of gravel around 10 cm deep across the surface and compact firmly. Using a gravel particle size of between 4 to 8 mm, add an additional layer of around 10 cm deep and carefully level using a spirit level. Lay in the tiles. Arrange the tiles in your chosen layout and lay directly onto the finishing gravel layer. To lay the next tiles, stand on the tiles that have been fitted and continue this process until you have completed the job. A minimum of 4 mm gaps should be left between each of the tiles. Gaps can be left empty or filled using a fine sand or gravel depending on its width. Gently tap the tiles using a rubber mallet to ensure its flatness. The use of a white rubber mallet will help prevent marking the tiles. Top tips. For a more permanent tiled area, leave a wider gap up to 20 mm between the tiles and fill with a suitable particle-sized gravel to give more stability to the finished surface. If using gravel, consider the particle size to suit the joint widths between the tiles. For finer gaps, fill with a fine sand to help with stability and drainage.